Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin with news that a flash flood watch is in effect for low-lying and flood-prone areas of 7 parishes: St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland.
The Met Service says the flash flood watch will remain in effect until 5 p.m. on Thursday due to a tropical wave west of Jamaica.
Now, heavy showers are expected to affect sections of most parishes, especially southern parishes, through to Friday morning.
The National Works Agency says there are reports of flooding in sections of St. Andrew. And in the meantime, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has advised members of the public to avoid Birdsucker Lane off Barbican Road and Grand Spence Ford in St. Andrew, which are impassable.